Hey, it's Chef Mike from GW Finn's Restaurant. Here to do a little dish for you today, something simple, Italian style. We're gonna take some mussels, some clams, real simple sauce. We're gonna take some Italian plum tomatoes. I'm gonna make a little X mark in the bottom of the tomato like this. And I'm gonna take these tomatoes and drop them right in boiling water. It's only gonna take maybe 30 seconds or so. And you can tell as the skin starts to peel away just a little bit where you made that X, you know they're ready to go. So these are ready. As you can see, this one's cracking along the skin a little bit. That is only about 30 seconds or so. Right into some ice water. And as you can see, this skin peels off beautifully, easily. So we're gonna go ahead and chop these up just a little bit for our pasta. Nothing special. I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil. I'm taking some garlic. I think for Italian food, most of these kind of saute dishes, slicing your garlic really thin just really brings out the flavor into the oil better than crushing it, better than chopping it. Thinly sliced garlic, I think, is really the way to go. So we're going to go ahead and throw that in there. A little bit of shallot. All right, and now we have some mussels and some clams. These are cherry stone clams out of Florida. These are Bangs Island mussels out of Maine. My favorite mussel. You know, when you cook a mussel, sometimes that meat shrinks up to almost nothing. These are always so full of meat, so much flavor, really great product. All right, let's throw in our tomatoes. Throw in a little bit of red chili flake, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of clam juice. You can find that at any grocery store. It's shelf stable. Really great product. Not used too much in Louisiana, but it's got a ton of flavor. A little bit of white wine also. And now what we got to do is just let these steam. We'll know it's done when those clams and mussels open up. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. So go ahead and throw our spaghetti right on in. Go ahead and add a little bit of butter, which is going to help thicken the sauce. All right, start with a nice mound of that spaghetti. Really simple, fantastic dish right here. Got a little bit of fresh basil, a little bit of shaved Parmesan. Definitely doesn't hurt. And there you have it. Clam and mussel spaghetti from GW Finn's Restaurant.
More information about the great food at GW Finn's Restaurant can be found on their website at gwfinns.com. Like the Big Chill, the Big Easy, the Big Top, or the Big Apple, here we do the Big Fish. It's about the adventure and experience of fishing as much as it is about trophies and limits. Now, fishing information for Southeast Louisiana is key here, but we will bring you recipes and other content related to the lifestyle that goes with the big fish. So please subscribe, like, notify, comment, share, and all the things that are part of the YouTube universe. We're going to get better at adding new content every week and want to know what you think. Appreciate you checking us out. Let us know what you want, and we'll do what we can to make it happen.